Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Apple CarPlay if it's not connecting or not working in your car. First, restart both your iPhone and your car's infotainment system. This is one of the simplest but most effective fixes. Restarting clears temporary glitches and prepares both devices to reconnect properly. Next, make sure CarPlay is enabled on your iPhone. Open Settings, go to General, then tap CarPlay. If this is your first time connecting, your phone will search for nearby cars. If you've connected before, you'll see a list of vehicles. If your car is listed but not connecting, tap on it and choose Forget this car. Then reconnect it again to refresh the connection. You should also check screen time settings because CarPlay can be blocked there. Go to Settings, tap Screen Time, then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Select Allowed Apps and make sure CarPlay is turned on. If the toggle is off or grayed out, turn it on so CarPlay is allowed. If you're using wired CarPlay, check your USB cable. A loose, damaged, or worn-out lightning cable can prevent CarPlay from connecting or cause it to disconnect randomly. Unplug and reconnect the cable firmly. If the problem continues, try a different cable, preferably an original or certified one. It's also a good idea to test the cable by charging your phone or connecting it to another device to make sure it's working properly. For wireless CarPlay, make sure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your iPhone and your car. Wireless CarPlay relies on these two connections to pair and transfer data. On your iPhone, swipe down from the top of the screen and make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on. Also check your car system settings to confirm Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled there as well. After checking these settings, try reconnecting your iPhone to CarPlay again. And that's how you fix Apple CarPlay not connecting or not working. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.